How to fix activation failed error in Viber. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, PIN Troubleshooting, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix Viber activation failed. There is a certain reason on why you'll get the activation failed error. Now, if it says an activation failed error after entering your two-step verification PIN, it is due to one of the two reasons. The first is that the PIN you entered is incorrect. So you want to tap on try again and enter another PIN, or tap forgot PIN to reset your PIN using your email address. Now, for more information, you can check the troubleshooting website of Viber itself. Similarly, it can be the other reason, which is that you are using an old version of Viber. So what you can do is you can simply head over to your App Store or Play Store and make sure you are updated to the latest version of Viber and try to activate Rakuten Viber on your phone again. So this is how you can fix Viber activation failed error. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.